Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Ayan. And since I'm not lazy today, I decided to edit our hiking experience. Our first hiking experience together as amateur hikers in Grinderlwald, Switzerland. Switzerland has always been my dream destination because of its Alps, the seas. Pag sila talaga nagsama, guys, just go perfect. They're really meant for each other. Pag nagre-reflect yung sun, yung view, it's finding peace in nature. Totoo talaga yun. Akala ko di pa quote-quote lang yun. Totoo talaga.
Focus lang dyan.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Amor, kaya pa ba?
Kaya!
Oh! Kaya pa ba, guys? Kaya! Ayan, narinig niyo ba, guys? Yung energy namin napakataas kasi packet pa lang kami niyan. Kayang-kaya daw, yakang-yaka. But as you could see naman, guys, it's all so beautiful. It feels so unreal. It feels overwhelming na makita lahat yan. At saka, kahit foggy, pinursu talaga namin. At saka maririnig nyo din yung bells ng cows. I don't know bakit may mga bells yung cows na siguro para hindi sila magkawalaan. Ganun siguro yun. Tingnan nyo, guys, kahit foggy talaga siya. It's so beautiful. I cannot. At may nakita din ako on the way na Frank. Yeah, kinuha ko as a souvenir. And I don't know why, but we're so amazed of the cows here in Switzerland. Nagpa-picture kami. Binideo namin isa-isa. We're just so amazed. Ayan, we're almost there. Hindi namin alam kasi yung trail, paakyat, at saka pababa. It's a 1-hour hike, guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Makikita nyo na yung goal namin kasi is yung Bachalpsee na makita. Ayan siya. And then after that, nung nakarating na kami, kumain kami muna. Siyempre, nagdala kami ng merienda para makasave. Budget-friendly yung trip namin dito kasi mamahal ng Switzerland. At makikita nyo that picture, that video cannot justify what we see personally there, guys. Pero dahil medyo hindi maganda yung weather, hindi nakikita natin na nag-reflect yung sun sa water. Pag ganun talaga, guys, as in napakaganda. But we are just happy that we have successfully made it to our goal to Bachalpsee in Grinderlwald, Switzerland as amateur hikers for the first time! Wala lang, nakaka-proud lang kasi na-overcome namin yung ulan, yung fog, yung sakit sa paa, yung paakyat. And I hope as you watch till this part of the video, I hope you also experience this kind of experience because that feeling is so unexplainable. Hindi ko talaga kaya with words, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.